Hey, I'm Gabe with Manly Bands. Thanks so much for stopping by and having a look at one of our fantastic products. Today, we're going to be looking at the Mr. Kensington. I know it's a mouthful, but trust me, it'll be worth it once we get into it through our custom wood grain box, our Manly Bands box in a box. That's a special feature of ours, box in a box. And when we get inside, we got a card welcoming you to the Manly Bands movement, one of the best movements you can be a part of. Inside, we've got our customer service information. You got questions about life or love, call somebody else. Question about your product, let us know. And then also check out our social media. Post a picture there on your own if you like what comes in your box, which I'm pretty sure you will. Inside, there we go, the Mr. Kensington. We've got a tungsten ring with a brushed polish finish. Super slick. It's got polished beveled edges, I should say. The brushed portion is kind of in the center, and we've got our beveled edges around the side there. Super elegant, super fantastic ring. The Mr. Kensington, I was doing my research, I'm pretty sure invented lion taming. Balls the size of Honeycrisp apples on that guy. But I'm sure he didn't have one of these, which is our black silicone band that is included with your purchase so that you have a new wingman to take on all your lion taming adventures if you so choose to do that. And also we have some promotional materials, 20% off of our sister company, Rosie Ray, for you to find a ring. I can't say anything about balls and Honeycrisp apples for our ladies, but there's 20% off, which is pretty great. And other promotional materials as they become available. So, if you're thinking about lion taming or nothing of the sort, head over to manlybands.com and check out the Mr. Kensington.